Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can link a Chase credit card to Chase mobile account. So let's jump right in. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and sign in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Profile and Settings or scroll down and tap Account Management. The wording may vary slightly depending on your app version. Now, tap on Add an Account or Link External or Chase Account. Choose Credit Card from the options provided. You'll now be asked to enter your credit card number and possibly some additional info for verification, like your billing zip code or last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you've entered the required details, tap Next or Submit to confirm. If the information is correct, your Chase credit card will be successfully linked to your mobile account, and you'll be able to view balances, track spending, make payments, and more all within the app.